sorry for the fucked up goggles, or rather lack of them. If my voice sounds muffled, that is normal. I'm wearing a black headpiece that prevents people from seeing what my hair is like. Okay. I just lowered it to speak. Blizzard, fix your game. If you're wondering why I'm saying this, I'm more saying, fix your game's AI. If you're wondering why, well, here's the thing. I kept on leaving your game a butt ton of times due to network issues. They kept on kicking me out. And your game thought I was doing it on purpose, which I wasn't. Therefore, your game is stupid and fix it. Catch you on the flip side.